Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
A slew of problems fixed?
The basic crux of the consent decree was the locking mechanism, the medical clinic, which is obviously medical care, and behavioral health, mental health services.
Yeah, big issues, of course.
Huge.
Issues that have kept DepCorp under a federal watch until they could clean up their act. Over the years, the department has slowly worked to address areas the feds have been eyeing. Now, DOC Deputy Director Kate Baltasar says this is proof that the hard work of the staff has truly paid off.
We have achieved great strides in the medical care with our partner agencies. Certainly GMH coming in, setting up shop, bringing in their doctors, nurses, and experts, getting them trained. NCCHC, which is the national standard in correctional health care. The Office of the Attorney General in how they've brought in the University of Connecticut, which is a huge provider of correctional health in the country. So all this expertise has come together and has been funneled into the Department of Corrections.
According to the 9-page joint motion for dismissal and memorandum in support filed in the District Court on Tuesday, the territory has produced evidence that DOC has learned the national correctional health care standards, has hired and thoroughly trained necessary personnel, has established an infrastructure for the DOC outpatient clinic's future success, created and implemented complaint written policies, and will complete the remaining work on the locking system.
The locking mechanisms are finally going to get replaced.
Ultimately, court documents conclude that this 25-year-old case should be dismissed.
This is unprecedented progress for the Department of Corrections in the last 2.5 decades. And I have to say that it would not have come to fruition without the leadership and stewardship of Lieutenant Governor Ray Tenorio, his team, as the overseer of public safety.
As for what happens moving forward, the motion could be discussed during a status conference this Thursday before Chief Judge Frances Tydinko Gatewood. It's her decision that could ultimately put this decades-old consent decree to bed once and for all. The hearing is set to begin at 9 a.m.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.